Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a power steering pump. First, gather your essential tools, including a socket set, various wrenches, and a fluid drain pan. You will also need a new power steering pump and fresh power steering fluid. Remember to wear appropriate safety gear, such as gloves and eye protection, throughout the entire process. This ensures a safe and efficient repair, saving you time and money. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to ensure electrical safety. Position a suitable drain pan directly beneath the power steering pump to collect any old fluid that will spill. Carefully loosen the two hose clamps and detach both the high-pressure and return fluid lines from the old pump. Finally, remove the 3 mounting bolts that secure the power steering pump to its bracket, allowing you to lift it out. Now, carefully position the new power steering pump onto its designated mounting bracket. Secure it firmly using the 3 mounting bolts, ensuring they are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect both the high-pressure and return fluid lines to the new pump, securing them tightly with their respective clamps. Double-check all connections to prevent any potential fluid leaks after the system is refilled. Reconnect the negative battery terminal to restore power to your vehicle. Fill the power steering fluid reservoir to the cold max line using fresh, approved power steering fluid. Start the engine and slowly turn the steering wheel completely from lock to lock about 10 times. This action helps to bleed air from the system. Finally, check the fluid level again and top it off as necessary.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.